We were told in order to become rich, we have to start a business, hustle hard, and make a lot of money. But that's far from the truth. On average, a significant portion of businesses, around 20 to 40%, failed in their first year. This means that out of every 100 business, 20 to 40 of them actually failed or had to shut down before their first year anniversary. Now, in today's video, I'll be breaking down the 3 ultimate factors of why starting a business won't make you rich and what it actually does. Number 1, starting a business won't make you rich, your skills will. Having a high income skill is the number 1 way a lot of people are able to become wealthy. I think that most entrepreneurs overlook the most important thing, and that is having a skill that will be able to sustain their business. Instead, they focus solely on starting that business, not knowing that they need these skills in order for their business to thrive. The key is to invest in learning these types of skills, or you can hire people that already has these types of skill. Another thing is you have to start somewhere. If you're working a 9-to-5 job and your goal is to eventually start your own business, learn from the people that are already doing it. I remember when I didn't have enough experience to start my own business, I had to get those experience in. I had to ensure that I'm learning those high income skills. So when I started my business, I am not failing at it because those high income skills, they're the things that actually pushes your business and boost your business to success. So when you're starting out, it is crucial for you to understand these types of skills. Even if you don't want to spend time learning them yourself, you want to make sure that you're hiring the best people that will be able to carry out these tasks. Because at the end of the day, your business is going to survive on these types of skills in order for it to grow. Number 2, starting a business won't make you rich, your mindset will. The truth is, as long as you are able to remain disciplined, you have resilience, and you're able to overcome different obstacles, then success will definitely find you. Because at the end of the day, your mindset plays a huge part in determining your wealth. Which means to become rich, you need to be able to break bad habits. Now, if you've read the book Atomic Habits, it tells you that tiny habits makes huge changes. So if you have something that is holding you back, the only way that you will be able to become wealthy is to change those habits, and that includes you being disciplined. And there are other factors that you must consider when it comes on to your mindset, such as staying committed even when things are not working out, being resilient within the process, and also understanding how money works. In reality, people that are wealthy have a completely different mindset about their finances, and that is how most of them are able to keep their money growing. Breaking habits might be one, but also staying resilient in times of obstacles in order to overcome them is also one of the most important things. Consistency is required in everything that we do in order to become successful. So with that growth mindset, we're able to challenge obstacles that comes our way. And I can tell you, when you're starting a business, it's not a walk in the park. It's one of those things where you have to invest a lot of time. You have to ensure that your mindset is in a good place. And with the right mindset, you'll be able to strive and become wealthy. So think of it in this light. Instead of partying every week, use that money to invest into index fund or in the stock market. Instead of buying the latest trending item, invest that money into a high yield savings account or into appreciating asset. Instead of sitting around people that talk poorly about other people, sit around people that are able to empower others to do better. So when you look at your mindset, it does play an important part on how you strive as an individual and even when you're starting a business. Number 3, starting a business won't make you rich. Creating an impact through integrity and leadership will. A lot of people start businesses with the sole intention of making money rather than positively impacting other people's lives. The people that rise to the top long term are those who lead with trust, serve others, and play the game long. Now, the sad part about it is that some businesses will fake it, they'll also cheat and cut corners. But ultimately, the ones that strive and become wealthy are the ones that really created an impact on people's lives. So don't start a business with the sole intention of making money. rather creating an impact on other people's life through the services and products that you're offering. Now, when it comes on to leadership, there's so many things around this topic that I want to get into, but ultimately it's all about teamwork. It's about taking ownership. It's never about status or who's the boss. It's always about having integrity and being able to lead in a way where people can have confidence within you. So great leaders aren't just rich in dollars. They're rich in building a good reputation, a good relationship with people, and also impacting other people's lives. Remember, integrity builds repetition. Repetition builds multiple opportunities to multiply into dollars. If you want to become wealthy, it's not about starting a business and becoming a boss. It's about leading effectively and also understanding that leaders are mostly selfless, meaning that they don't make everything about them, but they also have open ears to their teammates and be able to have that integrity that will uplift their team and their company. I want to hear what you guys think. Leave a comment below, and if you're serious about building wealth, I want you to type "I'm ready to become wealthy" in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also share and subscribe to this channel. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And I'll see you in my next video.